Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download an invoice from the Law Stories Academy dashboard for your account. So as you can see, I'm here in my account over here and I am in my dashboard right now. You can access the dashboard from the original website. Now, once you're in the dashboard, you can go to your profile, and under profile, you have the option to go to your purchases. When you go to your purchases, over here you can see all the balance that you have. And also if you go down here, you can see all the orders that have been placed. So as you can see, we had latest order on 24th of July and it's completed. So if I want to see my invoice, I can click view. Once I click view, I come to this window over here, and now I can see here in this green button, I can generate my invoice. So once you click on the invoice, it will give it to you right here, and you will get all the details that you want regarding your invoice. If you have any more questions or still are unable to see it, you can contact us at info@lawstoriesacademy.com, or you can reach us at our phone number on WhatsApp at 98992 05465.